and welcome to this lesson. Today, we will talk about how to scale your AI service business to 6 figures without a big team, paid ads, or burning yourself out. By now, you've learned how to land clients, deliver real results, and package your AI skills into valuable offers. But scaling is a different game. It's not about doing more, it's about doing better. And in this video, we are going to focus on how to grow from part-time or project-based income into consistent 8K to 10K USD per month by using a lean, streamlined approach. You will learn how to simplify your visibility strategy, build light automations that save hours every week, and add smart offers that grow your income without adding more manual work. This isn't about working 12-hour days or offering 10 different services. It's about building one great offer, sharing it clearly, and using tools and systems to do the heavy lifting behind the scenes. The first step to scaling your AI business is refining your offer. And not just any offer, it's a clear, repeatable service that's easy to deliver, easy to expand, easy to sell. If your offer changes every time a new lead comes in, you will stay stuck in customization mode. But when you standardize your process and focus on one core transformation, you create something that can grow with you. So, think about your most successful project so far, the one that was easiest to deliver or got the best result. That's the starting point for your scalable offer. Maybe it's a chatbot setup. Maybe it's an automation workflow for client onboarding. Maybe it's a done-for-you content system. The tool doesn't matter, the result does. Once you choose that, you can turn it into a system. Give it a name and outline your phases, such as audit, build, test, and support. You can also turn your steps into a checklist or a Notion doc. These small shifts let you raise your price, reduce your delivery time, and increase trust. You can also offer a starter package and a premium version. For example, a basic automation setup for 500 USD, and a full funnel with onboarding, reminders, and analytics for 2000 USD. And later, you can add a monthly support option for clients who want ongoing tweaks or improvements. That creates a recurring income without adding more sales costs. So, you only need one offer, one clear process, and multiple ways to grow it. That's how you build a service that scales. Next, we will talk about how to market that offer without spending all day on the content. At this point, random content posting won't get you to 6 figures. What you need is a system for building trust and authority, even when you are not online. And that's where authority assets come in. Think of this as set it and forget it proof. That positions you as the go-to expert. You build them once, and they keep working for you in the background. Let me show you a few powerful examples. First, your service workflow. This could be a short Loom video where you show what your offer does and who it's for. When someone asks what you do, you don't need to explain, you just send them the link. That's instant positioning. Next, create a simple case study or client story. Even one successful story, packaged well, can be used in many different ways, such as on a landing page, in outreach messages, or inside a proposal. Don't just say, I helped a client. You can break it down. What was the problem? What did you build? And what was the result? Another one is a mini guide or checklist, something helpful and free that shows you understand their problems better than they do. This is perfect for generating leads, building your email list, or sending to curious prospects who are not ready to buy it. You can use those assets across DMs, email replies, content, and your proposals. You don't need 10 assets. Start with 1 or 2 that prove your offer works, and make them easy to find, easy to share, and easy to trust. This is how you scale trust, and trust is what sells high-ticket services, even while you sleep. Let's move into automation next, and talk about how to free up your time while improving client experience. Because one of the fastest ways to scale your AI business is to stop doing everything manually. You don't need to hire a team right now, but you do need to start thinking like a systems-first business owner, not a one-person support desk. Let's talk about the key areas you can automate today to save time and create a better experience for your clients. First is need capture and interest tracking. Whether it's a Google form, a calendar link, or just a pinned DM prompt, you need a simple way for people to express interest and for you to track them. Then use Zapier or Make.com to log those leads into a Notion or Airtable database automatically. The second one is client onboarding. Instead of sending the same email or DM 10 times a month, set up an automated onboarding flow using a tiny form and a Google Drive folder template. Clients fill out the form, you get notified, and all their assets go into one clean place. Third is delivery and updates. You can use AI to draft the project summaries, weekly updates, or next steps. You can even automate standards updates using tools like Notion and Zapier, or send a Loom video with a checklist. Once recorded, they can be reused. Finally, use automation for your back office, such as proposals, invoices, and follow-ups. ChatGPT can draft emails, Stripe can handle payments, and Zapier can connect everything, so you are not chasing down links or reminders. These small systems might only save you 10 to 15 minutes each, but they add up fast, and they make you look polished and professional. The more you automate, the more time you create, and the easier it becomes to scale without hiring. Now, let's talk about adding new income streams through smart, leverage-based offers. Because scaling your income doesn't mean taking on more clients. It means creating offers that will allow you to earn without always trading time. This is where leverage comes in. The simplest form of leverage is to productize your assets or turn your client work into a product. Think about the systems you've already built: onboarding workflows, chatbot templates, automation walkthroughs. With a little polish, those can be packaged as templates, prompt packs, or mini products that others can buy and use. You can also add monthly recurring support, even if your main service is project-based. We've mentioned a few examples in our previous lesson. These are simple to manage, but they give clients peace of mind and give you predictable monthly income. Another option is to create a starter version of your system, a lower-priced, simplified service that's easy to say yes to. You can automate the delivery, offer it as a self-paced onboarding system, or use it to qualify leads. If you want to go even further, think about building a lightweight productized service, something you deliver consistently with templates, SOPs, or a clear scope. This is how you move from custom freelancers to scalable service providers. The key here is not to do more, it's to make smarter use of what you've already created. Every workflow you've built, every prompt you've written, it can be reused, packaged, and sold in different ways. Let's wrap up this lesson with a few key takeaways and the next steps. You don't need to grow a team, launch a full agency, or burn yourself out to hit consistent 5-figure months. You just need one scalable offer, one solid system, and one way to build trust and scale. Now it's time to look at your current business and ask, what am I doing manually that could be automated? What asset have I already created that could be sold again? And what proof can I package into content or a system? You can use the AI Business Scaling Roadmap PDF in this lesson to decide what stage you are in and where to focus next. It's designed to help you move from messy freelancer to scalable business owner without losing your freedom. You've got the tools, you've got the strategy. Now it's about taking the next focus step forward. And that's it for this lesson. I will see you in the next video.